Hey, hello guys, what's up? Today I am going to tell you about this river and this field and this grave environment. So, by the way, what is this? Maybe this is tell. It's called Bengali and English as well. So, guys, that's the matter. There is a bridge, guys, which is situated of Garagonz and Bogda Bazar. It's a connection of these two bazaars. By the way, I am walking now by the river. What is mean by it's a preposition which is called when we walk by or walk next to or walk next river, near river and next to river. By the way, I am walking across the field and walking by the river. Clear? Oh, there is a leaf of jute. It's a jute, guys. Farmers grow these jutes, and the farmers are growing these to sell in the market, so can they lead their life with an ease. In addition, it's a place far beyond the city or the local area. The homophone and heterogeneous and homogeneous matter is there. It's a phenomena of two rivers. So guys, the water is transparent, not vague or fake, just clear like water. Oh guys, I have to descend this to see you guys. Oh no, there is a fish maybe. Which fish? I don't know. Oh, swamp. And the exclusive swamp. Exclusion. Oh no, there is a, maybe there is any kind of woods and forest. By the way, I am now sheltering also. In this previous video, I had said that I am sheltering. In this video, I also said that I am sheltering as well. Oh, what a path! Path is a path of a village, not the town. Oh guys, I go across the river. Oh no, rural area. By the way, I have discussed with you some matter about this possession of this river. Oh no guys, why I am going to? I don't know. Who are you going with? Tell me about this. There is a calf of cow. 2 calf and 1 cow. Hey calf, hey cow, what's the matter? What's the phenomena? Oh no, I am going so far, and by the time I will have gone here. Oh no, have you guys remembered that in my previous video I said that my throat was act and caught cough, and now I am trying to say is at the same time my throat and neck is acting, and I am not able to say any speech with you, just groaning and trembling now. Also feel disgusting and rubbish. Oh no, what a breeze! Beautiful breeze. There is a breeze also, but the air is so breathing with my cheek. I need to go now, and the water must be pressed and need to be pressed. Oh no, where is that? This is a tree with banyan tree, maybe. No, that's not called banyan tree. It's a tree of. What is this? I don't know. By the way, I have to. Oh, what is this? It's a straw. Guys, it's called straw, which is eaten by cows and goats. Goats. Oh God, please help me where I am. I don't know. Maybe I am lost. So what I can do to do now and what to do now? All I have to do is just going to my house and I'm gonna to say with you that I have to go now. Many fishermen come and catch the fish, and the area is just mind blowing. Have you guys ever seen this area? Oh no, guys. Have you ever been to Canada? No, I don't be to Canada. Should I go home? Yes, I should go home. So guys, if you don't have a partner with whom you can practice your English, now learn your English, so all you have to do is just continue your English speaking with yourself, and you can use the mirror to speak and to practice your and to move your practice and set a widowal in your English learning by catching this and by doing these deeds. So guys, I am under the weather now. I feel sick. Guys, my mind is wanting to cross this river and go in the another side, but I can't because my t-shirt and my pant is so expensive. It costs an arm and leg to buy, guys. So I can't this. If I can this, my mother will beat me, guys. So all I have to do is just praying for my country. So guys, my mind is also wanting to lay here and just jumping and groaning and flip-flop here. Never get to you to flip-flop because oh, what's this? It's a speed, guys. Never eat this because it is tells upon in your health and prejudicial to your health, guys. It's a good verb, so I have to do is just throw this into the river. The bottle is now into the river. So guys, I need to sit here and talk to you guys. The dusk is coming and all around and everywhere is starting to grow gloomy and somber. The weather is somber and hazy, guys. It's a foggy dusk maybe. Oh no, what's this? Oh, this is a cigar. It's a cigar which I eat, guys. It's a cigar which I eat, and don't try to inhale this because it's also harmful for your mind and for your brain, also your lunch. It's called Derby and it costs 5 taka only. So cheap, right? But don't try to sell or buy it because it's harmful. Even though it is legal in our country, but it's not fair. It's unjust, guys. It's unjust. So, guys, do you inhale smoke, guys? Does anybody who watches my video cannot inhale smoke? Remember this, guys. Remember. So, guys, the vehicle is just crossing the bridge. One cycle and one motorbike is going there, guys. Oh, guys, I am also driving my bike to reach here. So, guys, what's your name? What class are you read? Do you read book? Not does. It's a third person singular number, so I have to say to. Oh, the period of declaration is just saying, guys, this calls Azan. Azan is a natural tone in our village, so I have to go to prayer. So, guys, you should also go there. Oh no, there is a van or cargo van. There are maybe 5 guys who are crossing the river by bridge. Oh, guys, I am soldiering and most ten, guys. My mustache is soldiering my leg, my shoulder, my cheek, my forehead, my nose, my eyes, my neck, my body, my full body, my hands, my legs, my half, my needle is also soldering. So I have to close my video and need to go home and should take a bath to avoid this and to get fresh, guys. So, guys, what's this? It's the poster of safaris. So, guys, have you ever suffered vote, guys? If you don't, you have to, because if you don't, who will? As a Bangladeshi nation, you have to vote your own neighbor who is able to improve your country and your area. Because of if you don't, who will, boss? Who will? So, guys, you are a loco. If you are a loco, so you have to do this. If you are a crazy or mad, you have to do this. Because, but I think or I see you are a brilliant, brainy, intelligent, and cozy boy. So you have to suffrage if your age isn't under 80 or above under 80. So, guys, I have soldering already. Also, I am under of weather and all I have to do is many works. It's just like a drop in the ocean. So, guys, bye bye.